Thank you for coming to my website, reallynicehomes.com. My name is Fernando Rebozo, and today I want to speak to you about loan modifications. I want to speak to you more specifically about how some lenders are playing games with homeowners about these loan modifications. It is my belief that a loan modification without a reduction of principal does not benefit the homeowner but only benefits the lender. I understand that a loan modification it is a restructure of a loan that was originally signed by the homeowner and the lender before all this mess came in where all the property values have dropped down. I understand that the lenders are taking a reduction and they're losing money when they're doing a loan modification. At the same time, they're trying to tell the homeowners that they're sharing also losing some of the equity that they lost. But in this case, during a loan modification, the homeowner is losing 100% of the equity, but the lender is only losing a certain amount of the original amount. And when you take in consideration the interest rates that you're going to be paying among the whole length of the loan, which will be several years. In some cases, in some loan modifications that I am hearing about, it's in the between 40 to 50 year range. So basically, it is imposing this homeowner to a debt for a property that may take 20 years before it can catch up with this person actually owes to the bank. And that, my friends, does not make any sense. That does not make a good decision from a homeowner to put themselves in a position for several years, and they'll be at a disadvantage making an extra payment or a premium payment every single month for a home that may take years before you can catch up to what is actual value to what you really owe to the bank. And meanwhile, you have somebody living next door to you that could be renting the same type of property, similar as yours, and then 2 years later, these people have the freedom to actually move out if they want to do that. They're paying less money every single month, and it looks like, in this case, renters probably are getting the best value out of this deal compared to a person paying for a home that could take several years, and you cannot move away from the house because you are stuck with the house because you have to pay. You cannot sell the house because you don't have enough equity. And so basically, the lender benefits fully about this loan modification, and you are basically sentenced to make those payments every single month to keep them happy so you can continue making those interests for them, the interest payments that the lenders earn. So it is my contention, like I was telling you at the beginning, is because of this principal reduction that is the only way how a loan modification can actually benefit a homeowner. And I wrote an ebook about this subject that it has created some questions that come in from people that already read this. And one of the questions was asked to me is, why do you think the lenders are not allowing this principal reduction? Why do you think that these lenders are not really trying to work with the homeowners so they can keep them in there and make a win-win situation? And one of the reasons I come up with, as far as the reason why a lender may not reduce a reduction of the principal, is because in some cases, the lender may see that if you are asking them to do that and they will accept you to reduce their principal, then your neighbor next door also has the same right to be able to get a reduction on their principal, and the neighbor next door, and the neighbor next door, and the neighbor next door. And obviously, that creates a completely different scenario as far as how the economy in this world will run, because everybody will be asking for a cut. And at the same time, no one will be obligated to the previous loans that they have signed with the lenders, and no one's going to have assurance that these people are going to pay for these loans. And that creates a huge mess that completely changes the structure of the economy of this country. So one of the reasons may be because of that. At the same time, I really feel if the lenders really want to help homeowners, they should utilize that policy to reduce the reduction of the principal when the family or when the homeowner deserves it for some reason or another, when you actually have a true hardship where you don't know where to go, you don't know where your next paycheck is going to come from, but at least you're scraping by and using your little savings that you have to maintain a place to live where you can make those payments. And the banks should recognize that and use the TARP money that the government has given them to help all homeowners and use it on these families that I know are suffering, where they have kids, where they have family members that they are suffering right now because they don't know where they're going to be living next month. They don't know where the next paycheck is going to come. And this economy in this country is not going to recuperate until we help those people. The government needs to wake up, the lenders need to wake up, but most importantly, homeowners need to wake up and make the right decisions when it comes to their own financial crisis. I would like to invite you to read my ebook, AdiosLender.com. Precisely, this ebook actually brings out to light all the situations and the scenarios that could happen from this point on. And after reading it, I promise you, you will see your situation more clearly. You will see your problems that you're facing right now are more common problems that a lot of people are going through right now. And you will make a good decision because now you will be able to choose the right option that's going to help you and help you get off these problems that you're presently in. Again, my name is Fernando Herboso. Thank you for coming to my website, and I invite you to check some other videos that we have here. And if you would like to speak to me about your particular case, I'll be glad to consult with you. My direct number is 240-426-5754. Thank you. Have a great day.